In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you're gonna know that all contacts from in your Facebook Messenger, that's your friends on Facebook, so you can't just delete contacts from here. If you want to delete the specific person from your contacts, you need to go to Facebook and to remove that friend. But once you are on your Messenger, you can tap on some person's name, tap on name again at the top, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can block that user. You can block message and calls in Messenger, or you can block them on Facebook. And also you can go back right there, tap on notifications and sounds, and mute notifications or mute calls, mute for 50 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hour, 24 hour, and until I change it. Now select for 15 minutes, and all the notifications is now blocked for that specific user on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helped you out, so before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.